Hello everyone, welcome back to Nagesh Karazki Orchid School. Dear students, in our last session we have completed exercise 5.2. Now today we will see the next part. Now look at the board here. 2 digit into 1 digit with regrouping. Now see here, one example is there, 58 multiplied by 6. Now how to do this? See, 58 multiplied by 6. See, 8 is at 1's place, 5 is at 10's place. Now in the first step, what we will do? See the step 1. In the step 1, we will do the multiplication. We will start from the 1's place. Okay, now here 6 into 8 ones. 6 into 8 ones. See, 6 into 8 ones is equal to what? 48 ones. You know the table of 6? Say the table of 6. 6 into 8, 6 8s are 48. So 6 into 8 ones is equal to 48 ones. Now say students, this 48 ones means 48 ones means what? 4 tens 8 ones. 48 ones is equal to what? 4 tens and 8 ones. So what we will do? Now this 8 ones we will write 8 at 1's place because 48 ones means 4 tens 8 ones. Okay, 48, this is a 2 digit number. 8 at 1's place and 4 is at 10's place. So 48 ones is equal to 4 tens plus 8 ones. So we'll write 8 in 1's column. Here we will write 8 in 1's column. Then these 4 tens, see this 4 tens. Okay, now these 4 tens we will give carry 4 to 10's column because there is 4 tens. So that 4 we will give as a carry to the 10's place. Okay, so here we will give the carry. Now in the step 2, what we will do? Now we will multiply it by 6. 6 multiplied by 5. Okay, now 6 into 5. See the 5 where it is? It is at 10's place. So 6 into 5 tens. First of all you do the multiplication. 6 into 5 tens. 6 5s are 30. So 6 into 5 tens is equal to 30 tens. Now see here 30 tens plus this 4. This carry also we have to add. Yes or no? So 30 tens plus 4 tens is equal to 30 plus 4. Do the addition. 30 plus 4, 34 tens. Now tell me, 34 tens is equal to what? 300s plus 4 tens. 34 tens is equal to what? 300s plus 4 tens. So we'll write 3 in hundreds column and 4 in tens column. Okay, because here in the hundreds column nothing is there. 58 it is a 2 digit number, so no need to give carry this 3 as a carry. Okay, so directly we can write 3 and hundreds column. Okay, so 34 tens is equal to 3 hundreds plus 4 tens. So we'll write 3 in hundreds column and 4 in tens column. So in this way we can do the multiplication of 2 digit by 1 digit. Okay, now we will see the next exercise, that is exercise 5.3. Now students, you have to open your textbook and keep in front of you. Along with me you have to solve all the sums in your textbook. Look at the board. Exercise 5.3. The question is, complete the table by multiplying the numbers in each column by those in rows. Now see here, you can see here one table. Yes, here one table is there and we have to complete this table. Okay, see what is the question? Complete the table by multiplying the numbers in each column by those in rows. Now first of all, see, can you see these vertical boxes? The boxes which are arranged in a vertical way, that is called as column, and the boxes which are arranged in a horizontal way are called as row. Here also you can see this is a column and this is a row. This vertical boxes is called as column and this is a row. Now what you have to do? You have to complete this box, complete this table in your textbook. How to complete this table? See, here you can see this is the symbol of multiplication. This is the symbol of multiplication. Now see this row. Here 11, 15, 19, 22, 23, 27, 31, 34, 41, 43. Means randomly they are given some numbers in row. Now we will see this column. See here, first of all they are given the multiplication sign, then 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to complete this table by multiplication. Now first of all, see here 2 into 11. 2 into 11. See here 2 into 11 is equal to what? 22. Okay. Now you can do the multiplication and you can write the answer. Now we will take this one. See 2 into 15. First of all we will do the multiplication. 2 into 15. See here 15 into 2. In this way also we can do the multiplication, because we have seen one of the property of multiplication. In that property was, if we change the order of the number, then also the product remains the same. So 2 into 15 is equal to what? 15 into 2. So we will do the multiplication here and then we will write the answer here. Okay. See 2 into 5 ones. 2 5s are 10. 10 ones means 0 1 and 1 10. So we will give 1 as a carry over to tens place. Now do the multiplication. 2 into 110. 2 into 110. 2 ones are 2. And then in that we have to add 1. So 2 into 1 2 plus 1. So 15 into 2. 15 into 2 is equal to 30. So we will write here 30. Okay. Now see in the row next which number is there? 19. And now see this column. Here 2 is there and here 19 is there. Again do the multiplication. 19 into 2. Here we will do the multiplication. 19 into 2. Now see 2 into 9 ones. 2 9s are 18. So we will write 8 at 1's place and 1 will give as a carry to the tens place, because 18 ones is equal to, you know very well, 18 ones is equal to 110 and 8 ones. So we will give 1 carry to the tens place. Now see this 2 into 110. 2 ones are 1 plus 1 3. So we will write 3 at tens place, means 19 into 2 is equal to what? 38. So we can write here 38. Understood? Now see the next row. In the row next number is 22. So 22 into 2. This is very easy. Orally also you can do 22 into 2. Do the multiplication. 22 into 2. 2 2s are 4 and here also 2 2s are 4. Means 22 into 2 is equal to 44. So write here 44. Then we will move to the next number. Here 23 is there and here again 2 is there. So 23 into 2. 23 into 2. Do the multiplication. 23 into 2. 2 into 3 ones. Do the multiplication. 2 into 3 ones. 2 3s are 6. And here again 2 and here at tens place 2 is there. So 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. So 23 into 2 is equal to 46. Next. This answer already they had given us. Now we will move to the next number. Here in the row 31 number is there and here in the column the first number is 2. So do the multiplication. 31 into 2. Then we will write the answer. 31 into 2. again 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. So 31 into 2 is equal to what? 62. So write here 62. Okay. Next see the 34 and here 2 is there. So again do the multiplication. 34 into 2. 2 4s are 8 and 2 3s are 6. So 34 into 2 is equal to 68. So write here 68. Then which number you can see there? Yes, 41 into 2. 41 into 2. 41 into 2 is equal to what? 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. 82. So write here 82. And in the row the last number is 43. So do the multiplication. 43 into 2. 43 into 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So 43 into 2 is equal to 86. So write here 86. Understood till here? Okay. Now in the next step what you have to do, students? You have to multiply by 3 to 1 by 1 to all these numbers and then you can write here answer. So this row you have to fill by your own. Now we'll see this row. Now see here. Here in the column the next number is 4. Okay. So we'll fill this row first. 11 into 4. 11 into 4. Now here you can see the table of 11 also. 11 4s are 44. So we'll write 44. And if you don't know the table, you can do the multiplication and you can write the answer. Now here in the column the next number is 15. And sorry, in the row the next number is 15 and in the column the next number is 4. So 15 into 4. 4 into 5 ones. 4 5s are 20. Now see students, 20 ones is equal to what? 20 ones is equal to 2 tens and 0 ones. So at ones place we will write 0 and we will give 2 as a carry to the tens place. Then 4 into 1 10. 4 ones are 4 plus this 2. We have to add this carry also. So 4 ones are 4 plus 2 6. So 15 into 4 is equal to 60. So write here 60. Okay. Now see in the row next number is 19. Correct. So do the multiplication. 19 into 4. And tell me the answer. Yes, 19 into 4. Do the multiplication. 4 into 9 1. Say the table of 4. 4 into 9. Yes, 36. So write 6 here and give 3 as a carry to the tens place. Then 4 ones are 4 plus 3 7. So 19 into 4 is equal to 76. So here we can write 76. Next is 22. See here the next number is 22. Okay. And here which number is that? 4. So 22 into 4. Orally also you can do this. 4 2s are 8 and again 4 2s are 8. So 22 into 4 is equal to 88. Then see in the row next number is 23 and in the column the number is 4. So 23 into 4. Do the multiplication. 23 into 4. 4 3s are 12. So 12 ones means what? 1 10 and 2 1. So at ones place we will write 2 and 1 will give as a carry to the tens place. Then see 4 into 2 tens. 4 into 2 tens is equal to 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. So 23 into 4 is equal to 92. So write here 92. Okay. Now see in the row the next number is 31. Okay. And in the column the number is 4. So 31 into 4. We will do 31 into 4. Do the multiplication. 31 into 4. 4 ones are 4 and 4 threes are 12. So 31 into 4 is equal to 124. Right here 124. Now see, next number is in the row, which number is there next? 34 is there. Yes, 34, and here in the column the number is 4. So 34 into 4. We will do the multiplication and then we will write the answer. 4 4s are 16. Now see, 16 ones is equal to what? 16 ones is equal to 110 and 6 ones. So at ones place we will write 6 and then 1 will give as a carry to the tens place. Okay. Then 4 into 3 tens. 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13. So write here 13. So 34 into 4 is equal to 136. So write here 136. Okay. Now see the next. In the row next number is 41 and here in the column which number is that? 4. So what we have to do? 41 into 4. This multiplication we have to do. So do the multiplication. 41 into 4. 4 ones are 4 and 4 fours are 16. So 41 into 4 is equal to 164. So write here 164. Okay. So in this way you can complete this row also. Okay. Now what you have to do at here you have to take one by one all these numbers which are given in the first row. Okay. And then multiplied by 5 you have to do and then you have to write the answer here. Okay. Understood? Till here you have to complete this table today itself in your textbook. Now we will see the next question, that is B question. Now see what is the question. The question is multiply. Here also we have to do the multiplication. The first example is 56 into 3. See here 56 into 3. See 56 it is a 2-digit number, isn't it? So 2 digit multiplied by 1 digit. We have to do the multiplication. 56 into 3. Now see, this is a ones place and this is tens place. Okay. So start from the ones place. 3 into 6 ones. 3 into 6 ones. 3 6 are, yes, 3 6 are 18. So 18 ones is equal to what, students? 18 ones is equal to 110 plus 8 ones. Correct. Okay. So 18 ones is equal to 110 plus 8 ones. So at ones place we will write 8 and we will give 1 as a carry to the tens place. Okay. Now we will do the multiplication. 3 into 5 tens. 3 into 5 tens. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1. This carry also we have to add. So 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. Now 16 tens. 16 tens is equal to what? Yes, 16 tens is equal to 100 plus 6 tens, isn't it? So at tens place we will write here 6. But see here at hundreds place nothing is there, only this is a 2-digit number. So instead of giving a carry we can write directly here 100. So 56 into 3 is equal to what? 168. Okay. Then we will move to the next example. See the second number. What are the numbers? Yes, 48 into 4. Again, first of all we will write the places. This is ones place, this is tens place because this is a 2-digit number. Okay. Now see 4 into 8 ones. 4 8s are, yes, 4 8s are 32. So 32 ones is equal to what? Yes, 2 ones and 3 tens. So we will give 3 as a carry to the tens place. Okay. Then see the tens place. Here 4 is there. Okay. So 4 into 4 tens. 4 4s are 16. Add these 3 also. 16 plus 3, 19 tens. Now 19 tens means 19 tens is equal to, yes, 100 plus 9 tens, isn't it? So what we will do? We will write 9 at tens place and 100 will write 1 at hundreds place. So 48 into 4 is equal to 192. See the third one. In the third example, 68 into 5 we have to do. Okay. This is ones and this is tens. Start from the ones place. 5 into 8 ones. 5 8s are, say the table of 5. 5 8s are correct. 40. So 40 ones means 4 tens, 0 ones. So we will write 0 at ones place and we will give 4 as a carry to the tens place. Then what we will do? Yes, 5 into 6 tens. 5 into 6 tens. 5 6 are, yes, 30. 30 plus 4. 30 plus 4, 34. So write here 34. Okay. Then see the fourth one. In the fourth example, the numbers are 79 into 2. 79 into 2. Write the places as it is a 2-digit number. This is ones place, this is tens place. Okay. Now here the answers are coming in 3 digits. So we can write here H also. H stands for hundreds. Okay. Now start from the ones place. 2 into 9. 2 into 9 ones. 2 9s are 18. Now 18 ones is equal to what? 18 ones is equal to 1 10 and 8 ones. So at ones place what we will write? Yes, at ones place we will write 8 and we will give 1 as a carry to the tens place. Then 2 into 7 tens. 2 into 7, 2 7s are 14 plus 1. 14 plus 1, 15. 15 tens means 105 tens. So at tens place we will write 5 and at hundreds place here we will write 1. Okay. Then see the fifth one. What are the numbers? 58 into 6. Write the places at the top of the number. This is ones place and this is tens place. Start from the ones place. 6 into 8 ones. 6 into 8 ones. 6 8s are, yes, 6 8s are 48. 48 ones is equal to what? 48 ones is equal to 4 tens and 8 ones. So at ones place what we will write? 8 and we will give 4 as a carry to the tens place. Then do this 6 into 5 tens. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 4, 34. So write here 34. Okay, understood? Okay. Then see the sixth one. Next is sixth. Say sixth one. Here 46 into 64 into 6. See. Write their places. This is ones and this is tens. 6 into 4 ones. 6 4s are, yes, say the table. 6 4s are 24. So 24 ones means, yes, 2 tens and 4 ones. So at ones place we will write 4 and will give 2 carry to the tens place. Then 6 into 6 tens. 6 6 36 plus 2. Add this 2. 36 plus 2 38. Now 38 tens is equal to what? 300 and yes 8 tens. So write here 8 at tens place and 3 at hundreds place. So what will be the answer? The answer is 384. Now see the next 7th example. 79 into 5. Write their places ones, tens and the answers are coming in 3 digits. So we'll write here H also. Okay. Now start from the ones place. 5 into 9. 5 nines are 45. 45 ones means yes 45 ones is equal to 5 ones and 4 tens. So we'll write here 5 and we'll give 4 as a carry to the tens place. Then we'll move to the tens place. 5 into 7. 5 sevens are 35. Then add this 4 in the 35. 35 plus 4 39. Now 39 tens is equal to 300 and 9 tens. So at tens place we'll write 9 and at hundreds place we'll write 3, isn't it? So what is the answer? The answer is 395. Then see this next 8th one. Write their places ones, tens and we'll mention H also. Okay. Start from the ones place. 7 into 9. 7 into 9 ones. 7 nines are yes 7 nines are 63. So 63 ones means 63 ones is equal to 6 tens 3 ones. So at ones place we'll write 3 and we will give 6 as a carry to the tens place. Okay. Then we'll move to the tens place. 7 into 2 tens. 7 twos are 14 and add this 6 also. 14 plus 6 is equal to 20. 20 tens is equal to what? 200 plus 0 tens. Okay. So at tens place we'll write 0 and at hundreds place we'll write 2. Isn't it? Now 2 are remaining. See the 9th one also. 38 into 8. Ones, tens and hundreds. 8 eights are 64. Okay. Now 64 ones. 64 ones is equal to yes 6 tens plus 4 ones. So at ones place what will you write? 4. So write here 4 and we'll give 6 as a carry to the tens place. Okay. Then we'll move to the tens place. 8 into 3 tens. 8 threes are, say the table of 8. 8 threes are 24. 24 plus this 6 also we have to add. 24 plus 6 30. Now 30 tens is equal to 30 tens means what? 300s and 0 ones. So at tens place we will write 0 and at hundreds place we will write here 3. Okay. So 304 is the answer. Now see the last is remaining. Okay. Write their places. 54 into 9. Okay. Start from the ones place. 9 into 4 ones. 9 into 4 ones. Say the table of 9. 9 fours are yes 9 fours are 36. So 36 ones is equal to 3 tens and 6 ones. So at ones place we will write 6 and at tens place we will give as a carry. 3 will give as a carry to the tens place. Okay. Then see this 9 into 5. 9 into 5 tens. 9 fives are 45 plus this 3. 45 plus 3 48. Now 48 tens is equal to what? 400s and 8 tens. So at tens place what we will write? 8 and at hundreds place we will write 4. Okay. So what is the answer? The answer is 486. Okay, so students, in this way today we have completed the exercise 5.3. In the next session we will see the next exercise. So till that time you have to complete the table and you have to do the practice of this 5.3. In the next session we will see the next exercise. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.